Hi everyone! Welcome to Future Cities. In today's video, we're diving deep into the economy of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN. We'll explore its historical roots, current state, and future prospects. Let's get started. Formation of ASEAN. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations was officially established on August 8, 1967, in Bangkok, Thailand, through the signing of the ASEAN Declaration by its 5 founding member countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. The organization's primary objective was to foster regional peace, stability, and economic growth by promoting cooperation and mutual assistance among its members. Over the years, ASEAN has expanded to include 5 additional countries, growing into a broader regional alliance. Through various economic, political, and cultural initiatives, ASEAN has played a crucial role in maintaining stability, enhancing trade relations, and advancing sustainable development across Southeast Asia. Economic evolution. Initially, ASEAN primarily focused on political and security issues, aiming to promote regional stability and prevent conflicts among its member states. However, by the late 1970s, the organization shifted its focus toward economic cooperation, recognizing the importance of economic growth in strengthening regional ties. A significant turning point came in 1992 with the signing of the ASEAN Free Trade Area Agreement, which marked a significant milestone in the region's economic integration. AFTA was designed to reduce tariffs, eliminate trade barriers, and encourage a more unrestricted flow of goods and services among member states. This initiative boosted interregional trade and enhanced ASEAN's competitiveness in the global market, attracting foreign investment and fostering economic growth across the region. Expansion and integration. Over the years, ASEAN has expanded beyond its 5 founding members to include Brunei, Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, and Cambodia, transforming it into a 10-member regional organization. The integration of these new members played a crucial role in shaping the ASEAN economy, contributing to its diversity, economic resilience, and regional stability. Each new member brought unique strengths, from abundant natural resources to growing labor markets and emerging industries, further enhancing ASEAN's economic potential. This expansion strengthened interregional trade and investment and reinforced ASEAN's position as a key player in the global economy. Through economic cooperation, infrastructure development, and policy alignment, ASEAN continues to work toward a more unified and prosperous future for all member states. Economic growth and diversity. Today, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations is one of the world's most dynamic and diverse economic regions. With a combined gross domestic product exceeding $3 trillion, ASEAN ranks the 6th largest global economy, showcasing its significant influence in international trade, investment, and economic growth. The region is home to a broad spectrum of economic development levels, from highly advanced economies like Singapore, which boasts a robust financial sector and cutting-edge infrastructure, to rapidly expanding markets such as Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines, which are experiencing intense industrialization, increasing foreign direct investment, and a growing middle class. ASEAN's economic dynamism is fueled by its strategic geographic location, abundant natural resources, young and increasingly skilled workforce, and deepening regional integration through trade agreements and infrastructure development. The region plays a crucial role in global supply chains, particularly in manufacturing, technology, and agriculture, making it an attractive destination for investors. The ASEAN Economic Community also aims to enhance economic cooperation, remove trade barriers, and create a seamless business environment across the member states. Despite facing challenges such as income inequality, political complexities, and environmental concerns, ASEAN continues to evolve as a powerhouse of economic activity, with projections indicating sustained growth in the coming years. The region's collective efforts toward digital transformation, sustainability, and innovation further position it as a key driver of global economic progress. Key economic sectors. several key sectors serve as the backbone of ASEAN economies, including manufacturing, agriculture, services, and technology. The region has established itself as a global manufacturing hub, particularly in industries such as electronics, automotive production, and textiles, with countries like Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam playing pivotal roles in global supply chains. Low labor costs, a skilled workforce, and strategic trade agreements have made ASEAN an attractive destination for multinational corporations seeking to expand their manufacturing operations. Agriculture also remains a fundamental pillar of the region's economy, supporting millions of livelihoods and contributing significantly to exports. Countries like Thailand and Vietnam are among the world's top rice exporters, while ASEAN as a whole is a major producer of commodities such as palm oil, rubber, coffee, and seafood. The agricultural sector ensures food security within the region and plays a crucial role in global markets. Meanwhile, the services sector, including tourism, finance, and logistics, continues growing rapidly, driven by rising incomes, urbanization, and digitalization. The technology sector is also emerging as a key driver of economic transformation, with ASEAN experiencing a boom in digital startups, fintech, and e-commerce. As these industries continue to evolve, ASEAN's diverse economic landscape positions it as a dynamic and competitive force in the global economy. Trade and investment. ASEAN has emerged as a significant player in global trade, strengthening its position as one of the world's most dynamic economic regions. The bloc maintains strong trade relationships with major global economies, including China, the United States, Japan, and the European Union, facilitating the exchange of goods, services, and investments across borders. These partnerships have driven economic growth, enhanced supply chain connectivity, and increased ASEAN's global competitiveness. In addition to its trade relations, ASEAN has also become a prime destination for foreign direct investment, attracting substantial capital inflows from multinational corporations and international investors. This is largely due to its strategic geographic location at the heart of Asia, a rapidly growing consumer market with an expanding middle class, and a business-friendly environment supported by various free trade agreements and economic partnerships. Agreements such as the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership and the ASEAN Free Trade Area have further reinforced the region's appeal by reducing tariffs, streamlining regulations, and fostering economic integration. As ASEAN continues to strengthen its economic ties with the rest of the world, the region is poised for sustained growth, greater innovation, and deeper regional collaboration, ensuring its long-term relevance in the global economy. Challenges and opportunities. While ASEAN has made impressive economic strides over the years, it continues to face several challenges that could impact its long-term growth and stability. These include persistent income inequality among and within member states, infrastructure gaps that hinder efficient trade and connectivity, and political instability in certain countries that may affect investor confidence. Additionally, regulatory differences and varying levels of economic development across the region present hurdles to deeper economic integration. However, ASEAN also has significant opportunities to capitalize on, particularly in areas such as digital transformation, which can drive innovation and economic inclusion. Sustainable development initiatives that promote environmental resilience and green growth, and enhanced regional connectivity through improved transport and communication networks. By addressing these challenges and leveraging its strengths, ASEAN can continue its trajectory toward a more integrated, prosperous, and resilient future. ASEAN Economic Community Vision 2025. The ASEAN Economic Community Vision 2025 aims to establish a highly integrated and cohesive regional economy, fostering seamless trade, investment, and the free movement of goods, services, capital, and skilled labor across member states. This vision is built on innovation, inclusivity, and sustainability principles, ensuring that economic growth benefits all segments of society while promoting environmental and social responsibility. AEC Vision 2025 also focuses on enhancing digital transformation, strengthening micro, small, and medium enterprises, and deepening financial integration to create a more resilient and globally competitive ASEAN. Through strategic policies and collaboration, ASEAN seeks to position itself as a key player in the global economy while maintaining stability and equitable development within the region. Digital economy and innovation. The digital economy is expected to play a pivotal role in shaping ASEAN's future, driving economic transformation and enhancing regional competitiveness. With a young, tech-savvy population and rapidly increasing internet penetration, the region is well-positioned for substantial growth in sectors such as e-commerce, financial technology, digital services, and artificial intelligence. The widespread adoption of mobile technology and digital payment systems has fueled the expansion of online marketplaces, making ASEAN one of the fastest-growing digital economies in the world. Recognizing this potential, governments across the region are heavily investing in digital infrastructure, such as high-speed internet connectivity, smart cities, and cybersecurity measures, to support technological advancement. Policies promoting digital innovation, entrepreneurship, and startup ecosystems are also being implemented to foster a more dynamic and inclusive digital landscape. Through strategic partnerships, regulatory reforms, and cross-border digital collaboration, ASEAN aims to create a seamless, secure, and integrated digital economy that will drive long-term economic development, enhance productivity, and improve its people's overall quality of life. Sustainability and green growth. As global concerns about climate change and environmental degradation grow, ASEAN focuses on sustainable development. Initiatives like the ASEAN Green Bond Standards and renewable energy projects aim to balance economic growth with environmental protection. Geopolitical dynamics. ASEAN's strategic location makes it a focal point in global geopolitics. The region must navigate complex relationships with major powers while maintaining its centrality and unity. Regional cooperation and diplomacy will be crucial in shaping ASEAN's economic future. In conclusion, the ASEAN economy has made remarkable progress since its inception, evolving into a dynamic and influential global player with a bright future ahead. From its early focus on political and security cooperation to becoming a powerhouse of economic growth and digital innovation, ASEAN continues to adapt to changing global trends and challenges. With ongoing efforts in trade liberalization, technological advancements, and sustainable development, the region is poised for even greater economic integration and prosperity in the years to come.